In 2013, a young man named Meek left his small hometown in search of new opportunities and a better life in the city. At the age of 25, he found himself in the bustling urban environment, working hard to make a living and pursue his dreams. It was during this time that fate brought him across the path of a captivating city girl named Sweetie. As Meek and Sweetie got to know each other, their connection grew stronger. They shared their dreams, fears, and aspirations, forging a bond that seemed unbreakable. Over the course of 8 years, their love deepened, becoming a cornerstone of both their lives. However, life is rarely without its twists and turns. Just when everything seemed to be going perfectly, circumstances beyond their control intervened. Sweetie's family had to relocate to a distant village for reasons unknown to Meek. Despite the distance, Meek and Sweetie were determined to maintain their love and commitment. Tragically, things took an unexpected and painful turn. Meek learned that Sweetie had married someone else, a wealthy man from the village. The news shattered Meek's heart. He was left bewildered and devastated by this sudden betrayal, struggling to make sense of what had happened. The pain of being abandoned after their deep emotional connection was hard to bear. Despite the heartbreak, Meek found the strength within himself to heal and move forward. Over time, he realized that holding on to the pain and anger would only keep him trapped in the past. With great effort, he decided to forgive Sweetie for her actions and free himself from the emotional chains that were holding him back. Meek channeled his pain into personal growth. He focused on his career, pursued his hobbies, and reconnected with friends and family who had been a part of his life before Sweetie entered the picture. As the years went by, Meek's wounds slowly healed, and he began to find happiness once again. He understood that forgiveness wasn't about condoning Sweetie's actions, but about releasing the negative emotions that were hindering his own well-being. Meek's journey to healing wasn't easy, but it was necessary for him to regain his sense of self and his ability to love and trust again. And so, Meek's story serves as a reminder that while life can be filled with heartache and disappointment, the power to heal and move forward ultimately lies within us. By choosing to forgive and let go, Meek was able to find happiness and create a new chapter in his life, one that was defined by resilience, growth, and the strength to embrace the future with open arms.